Good morning. Today I'm gonna start to um, pack up all my stuff in this June carry on, so I can travel maybe around over 6 months to Asia. So I will go over with you how to um, fold all my clothes super light into my carry on because usually I don't like to have a suitcase. The problem is sometimes they have to let me pay extra or I cannot carry on the way. And also, I don't like to do the back uh, clamming after busy a long trip. So my best way is I design garment that foldable and attachment unattachable, so I can separate them and back them very light. So you can see that at long way runway. That's where I design all my clothes. Um, Super easy to fold and I separate them, but I still have a lot of look and style when I go somewhere party or office. Yeah, and the second thing is when I travel, I don't like to carry on the shoulder the whole time because very heavy. So my best idea with my experience, I come up with this bag. I will have worked with my first time about this one. It look like for an office, so I can put my passport in the front, laptop, so I don't have my passport on my hand while running around the airport. Also, it come up with this tool stick with a wheel, so I can run faster, so I don't have to carry them on. With this extra bag on top, I can easily put on top here and drag them together and have more space. So when I get on the airplane, I can just separate them and put one thing next to each other without checking it. So yeah, that's the thing I think you should think about when you travel. And back for a guy, but is but for a girl, like I know you guys have um, the hair, lower makeup. For me, it's simple. Mostly my design. The thing with me, most my design become a fashion designer with all the clothes design kind of booking. For example, I have all this star going on. So I don't know how to do this. Just but what the first thing is I just fold whatever I do, like this simple paint, and also for all the basic shirt. Usually I didn't bring it with me. I just buy it when I get to the location because to me it's better when you buy it when you're there where you are. For example, if you go to Hawaii, just go grab a shirt or go to H&M. Everywhere they always have basic for cheap. I think it's not worth it to bring all the uh, basic garment. Just one or two, it's fine. But for 6 months, I know it's a long time. The best way to do laundry every 2 or 3 days, or hand wash and rewear it, not to carry it on. Most of the people when they travel, they basically wear the same stuff all over. So I think there's no point for you just to bring so many stuff and you don't wear them. I think it's gonna be such a weird space and all the energy you have to carry all that stuff. So, okay. Also, be ready to know what you wear. For example, I have a black shirt and a black pant, and I will wear this like most of the time. So I will wear it on the airport, and I will try to wear a lot of stuff on the airport. And I try to wear a lot of stuff on the airport, so I have more garment inside me. Mm. So for example, one of these garments, like when I design it, the sleeve is unattachable. So when I fold in the clothes, so when I fold them in the suitcase, it will be so much easier. Yeah, you need to bring a few swimwear, sock, basic shirt. Yeah, I think I'm good to go. I love this. Love it so far. Very cool. I can send you the link where I bought this one on Amazon. You can check it in the description. Look how big this one. Ooh. But I know. I need to put it in here. On top is perfect. I just finished a photo shoot with all this stuff yesterday. They have all the magnet. You can see they have all the magnet hidden below this fabric, so you can attach them on my shoot. It's very cool. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. Perfect, there you go. Turn this back for now. Now I can do some basic shirt. See, of few t-shirt. Usually I never bring towel. Don't bring towel. A lot of people always try to bring towel because take up too much space in your luggage. They always have it at the hotel wherever you go. Don't bring towel, guys. I'm telling you. And a few pair of socks. I will buy more when you get there. And I've got this suit in Amazon as well. It's so cool, so comfortable and lightweight. And look at it. You can fold them. So nice. So it doesn't take too much space. I will do this. See? I have a black one. I'm gonna wear the black one on me. I can wear the white one right here. So I can put a shoe and stuff. Yeah. Good. How skinny is it? Skinny is this text. I love that one thing don't take too much space in your luggage. And have this extra bag in case for the explode. Good. So this is the only our cheap street video. So I'm gonna get my carry-on, I can get my handbag. I will put this back inside here before I check in, you know. So you can consider like a carry-on and a handbag with an extra bag inside, they would not know. So thank you for watching. I will see you guys later.